Welcome back to the Spice of Life. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and comforting dish, Daal Moong Masoor with Tarka. This lentil curry is packed with flavor and incredibly easy to prepare. Let's get started. Start by adding 1 jug of water to a pot. Pour in 200 grams of Daal Moong Masoor and bring it to a boil. As it boils, remove any froth that forms on the surface and keep boiling until no more froth appears. Next, toss in 1 medium onion, chopped. Follow up with 1 chopped tomato, 2 to 3 green chillies sliced, season with salt to taste. Mix in 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Sprinkle in a pinch of kalvangi. Drop in 1 chicken stock cube for extra flavor. Let everything cook until the dal is soft and tender. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Now we'll prepare the tarka. Heat 1/2 cup of oil in a pan. Introduce 1 medium onion, chopped. Add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, chopped, and fry until brown. Then add 1 chopped tomato. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of achar for an extra kick. Grate in a thumb-sized piece of ginger. 2 chopped chillies. Sprinkle a pinch of zeera. Cook this mixture for about 5 minutes until everything is well combined and fragrant. Now, pour this tarka into the cooked dal and stir well. Your Daal Moong Masoor with tarka is ready to be served. Thanks for watching The Spice of Life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Have a wonderful day.